Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ran. I'll be telling you a CSS. It is my CSS comments where we use them. So I will tell you in that class, and it is very enjoyable class. And in that class, your concept will be also clear where we can use a CSS comments. So you can I will be only tell you where you can use the CSS comments. We can use the CSS comments on personal portfolio and blog vector. So now let's start the video and see how to where we can use the CSS comments. So now I will tell you CSS comments in CSS. So first of all, I will be open my that file. Let's save. That's it. So here nothing will become. So in next to the HTML file, first of all I will be write starting code. And what is your topic? So here you can write, here my topic is CSS comment where we use them. Then I will be go here, use them. Then I will be copy it. And now here I will be write H1, then paste them, then save, then refresh. So here is coming. So CSS comment where we can use them. So I will go to the CSS and write I will be give you my example. Like I am building a personal portfolio. So here I will write like it is my home page. Here I will be write like for Ebony should be mount, Siraj should be sans serif, text align should be center, padding should be 200 pixels, color should be white, background should be #00, save, refresh. And now here I will be write link, styled of CSS, save, refresh. So here is coming like that. And now then refresh. So now I will go here. It is my home page like, and here I will be write here I will be write like that, and here is my it is my home page codes. And I will be closing. Why it is coming? Because I will be not closing. You can write like that. So it is closing. So you can then save, then refresh. Here will be nothing will come. You can do it. The comments means like that is my home page. And now here I will be write like then here till I'm already done. So here I will be write like that, and here I will be write home page code. It is my home page code and now here I will write P, and here I will be write I love the coding. Then here I will be write like services. Then here I will be write then save, then refresh. So it is coming like that. In the HTML, the comments will be nothing will be used. Okay. And now I will be go here, and here is a P tag. Here I will be write P. Then first of all save, refresh. The P is coming like that. So here I will be the P is coming like that. So save, then refresh. So it is the coming. And save, refresh. So it is gone. So I love the coding. So it is coming like that. So here I will be write paste. I will be copy that code, and same thing I will be do here, and save, then refresh. So it is coming like that. Here you can see it. Here is coming like that. So I will be do like here. It is my about the page. The comment will use here. Okay. So I will be tell you where you can use the comment. So comment will use there, but comment will be not used on short video. Comment will be used on bigger video like blog website, personal portfolio, e-commerce website, gym website. Okay. So I hope you can enjoy this class and understand this class. So understand it, please like that video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you in next class. So for today, goodbye.